Are your habits keeping you poor? This powerful question leads us to an eye-opening discussion about financial habits that might be holding you back. The truth is, no one becomes wealthy overnight, but avoiding the wrong habits can set you on a faster track to financial success. We often think of wealth in terms of making money or finding ways to save. However, it's crucial to realize that the habits we form around money have a massive impact on our ability to build and retain wealth. In this video, we'll uncover 8 habits that may be secretly draining your finances and explore practical steps you can take to break free.
This channel provides advice on how to grow rich and the mindset of money. If you like what we do, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. 1. Paying yourself last. One of the biggest wealth killers is the habit of paying yourself last. If you're constantly putting other expenses first, you're leaving your financial future vulnerable. Wealth building requires prioritizing yourself financially. Think of it this way. If you wait until the end of the month to save what's left, there may be nothing to save. This is why the concept of paying yourself first is key. Start by setting aside a percentage of each paycheck for savings or investments, before paying bills or spending on non-essentials. Automate this process if possible to make it effortless and consistent. Remember, your future self will thank you. 2. Getting comfortable with bad debt. Credit card debt, payday loans, and high-interest debts are traps that can quickly spiral out of control. The problem? Many people get comfortable with bad debt, treating it as a normal part of life. Bad debt often comes with high interest, meaning you'll end up paying far more than you borrowed. To break this cycle, take a close look at your debts and create a repayment plan. Focus on paying off the highest interest debts first, a method often called the avalanche approach. At the same time, avoid taking on new bad debt and be cautious with credit cards. Shift your mindset to see debt as something to be managed carefully, rather than something you have to live with forever. 3. Not having a stockpile. An emergency fund, or stockpile, is essential for financial stability. Yet, many people neglect to build one, leaving themselves exposed to unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs that can derail their finances. Experts recommend aiming to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for emergencies. Start small if that sounds intimidating, and build up gradually. This fund should be in a safe, easily accessible account, so that you can tap into it when needed without the risk of loss. By having this safety net, you avoid falling back into debt when life throws you a curveball. 4. Not knowing your income and expenses. It might sound simple, but many people don't know exactly how much they earn and where their money goes each month. Without a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's nearly impossible to manage your finances effectively. Start by tracking every dollar you make and spend. Use a budgeting tool or a simple spreadsheet to categorize expenses and see where your money is going. Are there subscriptions you don't use or expenses you could cut? By staying aware of your cash flow, you can make informed decisions that keep you moving toward your financial goals rather than drifting away from them. 5. Expensive hobbies. Expensive hobbies can quietly drain your finances. Golf, high-end dining, designer shopping, or even frequent travel can add up quickly. While hobbies are important for a balanced life, it's crucial to keep them within your means. If you're spending excessively on leisure activities, you may be sacrificing long-term financial stability. Consider finding budget-friendly alternatives or limiting how often you indulge in more expensive pastimes. Saving some of what you would have spent on hobbies can free up cash for investing, paying off debt, or growing your emergency fund. Your future self will appreciate these wise choices as they add up over time. 6. Focusing purely on saving. Saving is an essential part of financial health, but focusing solely on saving without considering investment opportunities can limit your growth. Inflation gradually reduces the purchasing power of money kept in a regular savings account, meaning that over time, your savings lose value if not invested. While it's important to have a savings cushion, especially an emergency fund, look into options for making your money work harder. Investing, even modestly, allows your wealth to grow. Whether it's through a retirement account, stocks, real estate, or other ventures, smart investments can outpace inflation and help build true wealth. 7. Paying too much in taxes. Taxes are unavoidable, but many people unknowingly pay more than they have to. Understanding your tax liabilities and finding legal ways to minimize them can help you retain more of your income. For example, contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA can lower your taxable income, and certain deductions and credits can significantly reduce your tax burden. If tax laws seem complex, consider consulting a tax professional to identify deductions, credits, and strategies that fit your situation. By managing your taxes wisely, you can free up more money for saving and investing. 8. Waiting too long to invest. Many people hesitate to start investing because they believe they need a large sum of money to begin. However, waiting too long to invest can lead to missed opportunities. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start, the more your investments can grow over time. Even a small monthly investment can make a substantial difference over the years. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. Start with what you can today. Look into beginner-friendly investment accounts or robo-advisors that allow you to invest with minimal experience. Remember, the longer you're invested, the more time your money has to grow. Breaking free from these habits can make a significant difference in your financial future. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. By prioritizing saving, avoiding unnecessary debt, tracking your finances, cutting back on costly hobbies, and investing strategically, you can move closer to financial freedom. Every small change adds up, and over time, you'll see the positive effects of your efforts.
This channel provides advice on money and finance mindset. So if you love what we do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.